So hi guys, welcome to Mark's Home Kitchen. So you're looking for a dinner that's both healthy and full of flavour? If so, then this could be the dish for you. This Piri Piri Halloumi bake is under 500 calories and is packed full of flavour. Now join me as I walk you through how to make this delicious and nutritious dish. So grab your aprons and let's start cooking. So now let's start with our spice mix. So into a bowl we're going to add 1 tablespoonful of sweet paprika, 3/4 of a tablespoonful of onion powder, 3/4 of a tablespoonful of garlic powder, half a tablespoonful of hot smoked paprika, half a tablespoonful of salt, half a tablespoonful of dried parsley, 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, 3/4 of a tablespoonful of dried ground ginger, half a tablespoonful of dried basil, half a tablespoonful of black pepper, and half a teaspoon of ground cardamom. Now we're going to give that a good mix up and we're just going to set it to the side for later. So now I'm going to take 800 grams of sweet potatoes that have been peeled and I'm just going to cut them into 1-inch cubes. Now folks, if you're enjoying my videos, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and watch to the end for further videos. Now we're just going to take those potatoes and we're going to set them onto a baking tray that's been lined with grease-proof paper. Now I'm going to take 1 red onion and I'm going to slice it finely and add it to the tray along with the sweet potatoes. Now I'm going to sprinkle over half of the spice mix from earlier on. I'm going to drizzle it with a little bit of olive oil and then I'm going to combine it all just to coat all those potatoes and onions in the spices. Now I'm going to place it in a preheated oven at 220 degrees centigrade or 200 fan and I'm going to bake it for about 20 minutes. Now while that's baking, I'm going to take the rest of the spice mix and into a larger bowl. Half a tablespoonful of honey or maple syrup, half a tablespoonful of tomato puree and half a tablespoonful of lemon juice. And then I'm just going to stir it well. Now I'm going to add 250 grams of sliced halloumi cheese and I'm going to toss it to coat it well in the spices. Then we'll just set it to the side and we'll let it marinate for about 10 minutes. Now I'm going to slice 1 red pepper, one yellow pepper, twelve cherry tomatoes, and I'm going to trim 100 grams of green beans and then I'm just going to slice them in half. Now we've removed the potatoes from the oven and we're going to put the vegetables over the top. I'm going to toss these well and we're going to put them back into the oven for a further 20 minutes. Now I'm going to pour over 100 grams of sweet corn. You can either use canned or defrosted that's been frozen. I'm going to take a couple of spoons and I'm just going to mix it well in. Now we're going to take the halloumi and we're going to place it over the top of the vegetables. Now don't forget the sauce that's in there, it does add flavour to the halloumi. Now we'll take the tray and we'll place it under a preheated grill for 5 to 7 minutes, just until the halloumi starts to go golden brown. Once it's brown, we're going to spread some lemon slices over the top, and now it's time to serve. I've just served mine in a bowl, again on top with the lemon slices. So folks, if you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my further videos.